Kardom Namaskar, my dear viewers, Niliment Hare Sedeng Teron Milik. Afransi Nili Bijoy Kronzank White General Hin Pen Zonal Karbi Festival Kardom Nalitum Kado Kawia Panta Pipa Jero Kardom. Pini Nilitum Bijoy Kronzank White General Hin Pen Nalitum na Aphana Paplang Ponjilake. Zonal Karbi Youth Festival of Fan Munit Atum Koan excited dom Koan si Chisik Chedang dom Labang So Karjuponji. Afan Sinilitum Nang Barlo La Sinalitum Labang So video Nang Lang Don Ingon Lapen Nililong Nang Cherab Don Cameraman Lake Konglong Kronja.
अच्छा ठीक है
A few moments later.
Nang Limen Gosongani Nang Chitani Ma.
Sorry, I'm not a Karbi girl.
Oh, really? But you are wearing such a beautiful Karbi traditional dress and looking so lovely. Are you sure you are not Karbi?
No, I'm not Karbi. I came all the way from Japan just to see the Karbi Zonael Festival here in Karbi Anglong.
Wow, from Japan, that's amazing. What's your name? And the dress you are wearing, what is called? And so how do you feel after wearing it?
My name is Jusmin. The dress I'm wearing is the Karbi traditional dress. After wearing it, I feel really good. I truly love Karbi traditional attire.
Wow, okay, good girl. My dear friends, this beautiful girl has come all the way from Japan to witness the Karbi Zonael Festival. If you think she looks stunning in Karbi traditional dress, do not forget to share your doubt in the comment. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bijoy Kronzank YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you, Kardom.
Shining like the morning star. Unity, culture, dance and tone. Together we all belong.
आइए सबका स्वागत है दिल से ये महफिल रंग लाया है करबी युवा एकता की शान let's celebrate hand in hand आइए सबका स्वागत है दिल से ये महफिल रंग लाया है करबी युवा एकता की शान let's celebrate hand in hand welcome one and all सोनाल करबी यूथ फेस्टिवल मित्रता प्यार और खुशी का जहां दिलों में गए एक सुर गाना नाचेंगे गाएंगे रंग बिखेरेंगे परंपरा की रोशनी जगाए Together we rise, together we cheer Festival spirit is here welcome one and all सोनाल करबी यूथ फेस्टिवल मित्रता प्यार और खुशी का जहां दिलों में गए एक सुर गाना Raise your hands, let's sing along. This is our home, where we belong. Karbi